Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. American rapper Busta Rhymes has teamed up with dancehall artist Vybz Kartel on a new track titled The Don and the Boss. Busta Rhymes shared this documentary video on his Instagram account detailing the journey with Vybz Kartel. The clips take viewers on a trip back to 2010 where Busta Rhymes and Vybz was in the studio making music.
I'm in the studio with Don Corleone right now. Vybz Kartel. Live view stream, we bossing up the whole Gaza family, not nice. Spliff Star, the official street corner colonel. We live in Jamaica right now. We have both of the place.
The documentary also shows Busta visiting Vybz Kartel after he was sentenced.
First time I'm seeing him since he got sentenced to 30-something years in jail.
The Don and the Boss single will be released tomorrow and is featured on the rapper's new album Extinction Level Event 2, The Wrath of God. The project marks the rapper's first solo album in 8 years and follows his 1998 LP Extinction Level Event with the Final Word front. The Unruly Boss, Popcorn's newly released mixtape, has debuted on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart this week. The project currently sits in the number 2 spot. Popcorn shared the news with his fans on social media with the caption simply stating that, "Respect to everyone who made this possible, forever grateful." The Yai Change mixtape also premiered at number 94 on the Billboard 200 chart, which ranks the most popular albums and EPs across all genres. The mixtape was released on August 6. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.